Adding another story to your home has historically been an extremely disruptive process. Everyone has always asked the wrong question. How do you rip the roof off and frame back as fast as possible? The question needed to be, how can you leave the roof on? AnotherStory is a system that allows you to add a second story to your home without you having to move out. Any of the major systems that are existing in your attic can stay put. They don't have to be changed at all. The only thing we remove to install the second story is the roof itself. Almost like another house set on top of your house. So the AnotherStory process starts with the jack. We add the beam, which allows us to install the roof rafters in the exterior walls, which allows us to build the roof, get it all in the dry, and then frame the entire interior after we've removed the roof on the inside, after we've been fully in the dry, and then we install the stairs. The final process has us actually finishing out 90% of the second story before we even cut the stairs in. One of the primary goals is to provide a system where the homeowner is inconvenienced as little as possible. The emotional cost of the typical process of having to move out, of having to find a place to rent, of having to move in with your in-laws, it's really heavy. And so to be able to come up with a solution that allows people to stay in their home, not get displaced, double their square footage, we feel like it's a revolutionary thing that's going to help a lot of families get the space that they need.